Hi everyone, my name is Abdulaziz and today's lesson is about Photoshop tutorials part 3, and today we are gonna learn about history. So let's get started. First of all, open Photoshop CS5. When you open Photoshop, come up to File and click New. Create a new project and call it as Extreme Learning. Now click OK. Now here let's change the background to layer. Now this is a history. When we create a new file, there is a new history. It's called new. When I select this new, as you can see, it's changed to background again. The layer is removed. When I click to the make layer, it would be layer again. Let's duplicate this layer. When I duplicate it in history, duplicate layer. As you can see. Now, when I delete this copy layer, delete layer. When I click duplicate layer, it will change to layer 0 copy will appear. When you do something or change color, background color, use paint bucket tool. When you change it, you can see the delete layer is removed because we didn't select it. Remember, if you select the last one, all history will appear. If you select the second or third, as you can see, white background, the last things will remove that we have duplicated layer. Paint bucket tool we have used it. When you click paint bucket tool again it will open. Subscribe to Extreme Learning. Until the next time, bye.